What is this? Ooh.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. Don't mind my background. I am in my closet recording. You know, if you're a mom, you definitely gotta understand like why I'm in the closet. The point of this video is that I got something special for Christmas, and it's something that I always wanted. Like I've never gotten it for myself, or I've thought about getting it for myself, but my man actually got it for me. And I know I was supposed to do it like every day of December, but no, it's too good to like to do every single day. I want to do like one big open up for those who haven't had like an advent calendar. Because he's slow down. So he got me the E.L.F. advent calendar, as you can see, and we're gonna open every day one by one. I already opened day one because I kind of wanted to see if it was empty or not. So let's get into this video. As you can see, it has all 25 days. So on the first day was this. Oh god. And it was so hard to take out, so I was like, let me not take it out. The first day was the Holy Hydration Face Cream. If you love E.L.F, I'm telling you, if you really love E.L.F, I feel like this advent calendar should be it. And I love E.L.F. I love E.L.F. I always go and get the primer. The primer is actually really, really good. And I finished the primer really quick. So the primer that I actually am using now is my, it's a little dusty. My E.L.F. Poreless Face Primer, which I actually really love. If I'm not getting this, I usually get the Face Grip, I believe is the blue one in a little tube. I usually get that. But those I actually finished really quick. But this, the Poreless one, don't tell me I didn't put you on. So that was number one. Number two is this long one that we're gonna open up together. As you can you see? Number two. So honestly, don't want to break the whole box. And the second one is actually an Intense Lift Brow Pencil Crayon, which is really cute, and it's my shade, which is dark brown. I love it. Look. Got the spoolie, and then it got the pencil here, which is, it seems really creamy. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to mess it up. So that was number two. Number three, we're gonna open up number three, which is this one right here. Number three, what is this? This, I believe this is like lipstick. Ooh, look at that. I believe this is like a lipstick in the shade of Fiery Red. I'm definitely wearing this for New Year's Eve. Red, even though I wear red occasionally, but red, I would say, is like when you want to be on your grown woman shit. Like if you want to like step out, you know, go on a date, a nice black dress with your red pop lips. This, look. In the shade Fiery Red. Now we're going to go to number four. Number four is right here. Look at this. Is my favorite one, the Power Grip. I said Face Grip earlier. It's Power Grip, and it's the tiny one, the travel size. Oh my god, definitely using this. This is the Power Grip primer that we like to use. Right now I have the Poreless one, and this is my favorite one. This one is my favorite one, so we're gonna definitely use this. It's very useful. Okay. And that was number four. Now we're going to number five, which is this one. This is number five. Let's open it up together. What do you think it is? You know, comment below what you think it is. This is the Pouty Primer also. This is the Luminous Pouty Primer. I've never tried this before, but I'm excited to actually try this and actually do a whole video with all my E.L.F. products and see how they lay my makeup, you know, how my makeup becomes flawless. And Look, it's kind of creamy. So I'm excited to try this. I'm actually excited to try this. There's a lot of things in here that I haven't tried, which is the face cream that I haven't tried before. The fiery red lip gloss or lipstick. I haven't tried this before. I'm excited to try this and actually make a video on these things so you guys can tell me what you think and if you're gonna buy an advent calendar. Number 8 is right here. I'm so excited. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? What do you think number 8 is? Oh, sugar. Number 8 is the No Budge Shadow Stick. No Budge Shadow Stick. I wonder what this is actually. No Budge Shadow Stick. So it's basically eyeshadow. I'm excited to actually use this. I've never used an eyeshadow stick before, and it's kind of creamy, as you can see. I've never used an eyeshadow stick before, but I can't wait to try these new things and actually video record myself and show you guys, you know, how it looks. And you'll tell me if you want to buy it or not. So the next one is number 6, which is right here. Let me see how to pop this. Next, that shimmery lip gloss. You have lip lacquer. Look, don't quote me, but this color is beautiful. Now look at this color. Let me turn on some more lights just so you can see. Look at this color. Look how shimmery it is. That is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, I love me a nice brown lip. Like when you outline your lips perfectly, which I got this liner here, this even though this is a lift brow liner, sometimes I use my brow liner for my lips too. Or how, if you see my other videos, I've used my eyeshadow as my lip liner as well. When you line your lips nicely and you put that final touch of lip gloss on top, oof. Chef's kiss. So that was number 6. So now we're going to number 7. She's right here. This is a nice fluffy eye blender. You know, when you put your eyeshadow on, you want to blend it out and stuff like that. I needed a new brush. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm using the same brush that you keep washing and the bristles keep falling off. But this is a fluffy eye blender brush, as you can see here. Look at that, look at that. That's nice. Let's put this on this side. That was number 7. Let's do number 8. Number 8 is right here. I'm so excited. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? What do you think number 8 is? No Budge Shadow Stick. No Budge Shadow Stick. I wonder what this is actually. No Budge Shadow Stick. So it's basically eyeshadow. I'm excited to actually use this. I've never used an eyeshadow stick before, and it's kind of creamy, as you can see. I've never used an eyeshadow stick before, but I can't wait to try these new things. Number 9, which is right here. Number 9 is right here. This is a setting mist up to 16-hour wear. Now we're going to go to number 10. Let's see if I can get a lash brow serum. As you can see. Now we're on to number 11. Number 11. Let me show you what I've been doing. I've been using the tweezers to get it out because E.L.F want to make sure these things don't come out. So it's called O-Face Satin Lipstick. That's what it's called. So it's an E.L.F. O-Face Satin Lipstick. Let's open it up. Ooh. 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 Look at that. Let me just swatch it. This I can actually swatch. Look. Look how nice that looks. Do you see? That was number 11. Now let's go to number 12, which is this right here. Like, I already see what number 23 is. Hopefully it's a brush, the way it's shaped. But we're going to go to number 12. What is this? This is, as you can see, this is a lash and roll. I've never tried any mascara. I don't have no eyelashes, as you can see. See? No eyelashes. But this, look at this. Look at the bristles. Look at the bristles. So hopefully they look good. Look at this. Go to number 13, which is this. What do you think this is? Look at the shape, y'all. That one I got out easy. Oh my gosh. I haven't even tried. Like I said, I don't have any lashes, but it's good to like, I know I've seen videos where girls actually pinch themselves in the eye with these, but I can't wait to use my mascara and then pinch it to volumize them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I finally have one of these, which is right here. This looks like another lip combo, and I can't. This looks like another lip. This looks like another lip. So this is a liquid metallic eyeshadow. It's not even a lip. What? A liquid? Ooh, look at the color. Look at that color. I think I know what I'm gonna do with this. I definitely know how I'm gonna use this. This is really great. That was number 14. Let's go to number 15. This is number 15. So basically, it's like a brow gel that you pour on your brows. You know, you shape them, you put them on, you shape them in the way that you want to lift your brow, the way you want to shape your brow. So this is definitely something I could use, especially if I have my brow pencil and it has a spoolie. So I can actually put my brow gel and then lift it up the way I want to shape my brows, and then put, you know, tint my brows the way I want to tint my brows. So this is a brow gel, and this was actually number 15 in the E.L.F. Advent calendar. And then we're going to go on to number 16 here. What is... Not them bedazzle. I love me a good bedazzle. Let's move on to number 17, which is right here. This looks like another brush. Nope. You see how you got the bedazzle? You have the eyeliner. You have an E.L.F. eyeliner by E.L.F. See? Let's move on to number 18, which is over here. What is this? So it's another Holy Hydration. Oh no, there's two different ones. This is Holy Hydration face cream. They gave me the face cream. And then this is Holy Hydration makeup melting cleansing balm. So I believe to just remove my makeup. I use this to remove my makeup. Now we're going to move on to number 19, which is up here. We'll move on to number 19. I needed a new one. And we got a spongy, and I love this part where you can go da 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 under your eyes with the with my setting powder. Oh my god, I needed a new one. If you see what I have for my old one, don't judge me. Don't. Now we're gonna move on to number 20. Hydration Core Lip Shine Brilliant Levels. I think that's what it means. I don't know. Hydrant. So I feel like this is more like, oh my god, look at the middle. Look at the middle of the I feel like this is like a lip balm. It has. I'm gonna open up number 21, which is right here. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. A no budge eyeliner. And moving on, we're going to number 22. Look like my camera's about to die. So number 22 is blush. Oh my god, I need a blush. Look at this. I can't wait to try this. Number 23. I knew it. It was a brush. Buffering foundation brush from E.L.F. My camera died. I need to charge it. So number 24 is actually an eyeshadow palette. I love doing my eyeshadow. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love mixing colors. I love adding colors. I just love it. And I have a eyeshadow palette by E.L.F. Look at the big E.L.F. Oh my god, I love it. And look at the colors. They're so vibrant. Look at the colors. I love the colors. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So we want to say thank you to E.L.F. and thank you to Bae for actually getting me this for Christmas. This was actually a really, 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 really amazing gift that I've gotten. And E.L.F., you are doing your thing out there. I want to thank you for the advent calendar as well. You guys are rocking it and killing the makeup industry, you know, like this is really nice. This is really, really, really nice. So stay tuned for other videos where I'm actually going to be using my E.L.F. stuff that I've got for my advent calendar. And yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you.